Did you know there's a tiny pump inside every one of your cells that works non-stop to keep you alive? This microscopic marvel is constantly at work, ensuring that your body functions smoothly even when you're not aware of it. It's called the sodium-potassium pump, and it's essential for everything from thinking to breathing. Without it, our brains wouldn't be able to process thoughts, and our lungs wouldn't be able to draw in that vital breath of air. This pump is a protein that sits in the cell membrane, which is like the skin of the cell. The cell membrane acts as a barrier, protecting the cell's internal environment while allowing communication with the outside world. Its job is to move sodium ions out of the cell and potassium ions into the cell. This constant exchange is crucial for maintaining the cell's electrical balance and overall health. But why is this important? Why do our cells need this continuous movement of ions? Think of it like this. Your cells need the right balance of sodium and potassium to function properly. This balance, known as homeostasis, is vital for the cell's survival and efficiency. Too much sodium inside the cell, and it could swell up and burst. This would be catastrophic, leading to cell death and potentially affecting the entire tissue or organ. Too little potassium, and your nerves won't be able to send signals. This could result in muscle weakness, cramps, or even more severe neurological issues. This is where the sodium-potassium pump comes in. It ensures that the levels of sodium and potassium remain just right, allowing cells to perform their functions without any hiccups. It acts like a tiny bouncer, controlling what goes in and out of your cells. Just like a bouncer at a club, it ensures that only the right ions get through, maintaining order and balance. Let's take a closer look at how it works. By understanding this process, we can appreciate the incredible complexity and efficiency of our own bodies. The first step in this cellular dance is the binding of sodium ions to the pump. Imagine the pump as a revolving door with 3 spots for sodium. Inside the cell, sodium ions are floating around. These sodium ions attach to the pump at their designated binding sites. This binding triggers the next stage of the pump's cycle. Now the pump needs energy to move these ions against their concentration gradients, like pushing a ball uphill. This process is essential for maintaining the cell's internal environment and ensuring proper cellular function. This energy comes from a molecule called ATP, the cell's energy currency. ATP is produced in the mitochondria and is vital for many cellular processes. ATP breaks down, and the pump uses the released energy to change its shape. This transformation allows the pump to perform its function efficiently. This shape change is crucial. It enables the pump to transition between different states, facilitating the movement of ions. With the new configuration, the pump opens to the outside of the cell and the sodium ions are released. This step is vital for maintaining the balance of ions inside and outside the cell, which is necessary for various cellular activities. Section 4. The importance of being balanced. With the sodium ions outside, the pump is ready for its next passengers, potassium ions. 2 potassium ions from outside the cell bind to the pump. This binding triggers the pump to change shape again. This time, it returns to its original form, opening towards the inside of the cell. Section 5. Powering your thoughts and actions. The potassium ions are released into the cell, and the cycle begins anew. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular function and overall health. This continuous pumping action maintains the right balance of sodium and potassium inside and outside the cell. Without this balance, cells would not function properly, leading to various health issues. But the importance of this pump goes beyond just ion balance. It plays a vital role in generating the electrical impulses that power your thoughts and actions. This electrical difference is what allows nerve cells to send signals throughout your body. These signals are essential for communication between your brain and the rest of your body. These signals control everything from your muscles to your senses. They enable you to move, react to your environment, and experience sensations. So the next time you think, move, or feel your heartbeat, remember the tiny sodium-potassium pump, tirelessly working to keep you going. It is a fundamental component of your body's intricate and amazing machinery.